this video, you will search for housing options and add them to your spreadsheet. To start, open a new window and enter a query for the location you selected for your new home. For example, you might type apartment and Mobile, Alabama, or house, Madison, Wisconsin. Some search results have an add symbol beside them. This symbol indicates that the website owner pays a fee each time you click the link. Many of the search results are websites that specialize in finding rental housing. Try a few and see which one works best for you. Many websites have filters that allow you to refine your search based on factors that are most important to you. Depending on the website you select, you might be able to filter for the number of bedrooms, the monthly price, and other features. Use these filters to refine your search. Investigate some of the results your search returned and collect data on your spreadsheet for options that look interesting to you. As you see additional features you want to include for your decision making, add them to the spreadsheet. In some cases, you may not find all the data you need. That is okay. For now, fill in what you can and leave the other cells blank. You can also include extra notes to help you distinguish one option from another. Use different websites and search terms to find more rental properties that you like. For example, you might search for apartments, townhomes, or houses for rent, or search for options in specific neighborhoods. Document all your findings in your spreadsheet. When you found at least 3 options, move on to the next video to write computer code. The code will calculate the distance from a housing option to a location that's important to you. Now it's your turn. Search the internet for housing options in the location you selected for this activity. Investigate at least 3 of the results returned. Collect data about each option in your spreadsheet. When you have collected data for 3 or more options, move on to the next video.